Hi, welcome to Hades Garage. I'm Dobromir. Today I'd like to show you the difference between these BMW headlights and this one. In this video I will share with you some details about these headlights. They are mounted in BMW e32 7 series, e34 5 series like this one, and in the e30 the 3 series. There are two types of black halo. The original one, which already are very rare and expensive, and manually assembled like this pair here. In our case they are black Bosch. The functionality is absolutely the same. They are mounted to the car on the front mask with 3 screws. Here, here and here. To replace the headlights you should remove first this whole trim. After that you should replace this grille and this grille. Then the headlights came off pretty easy. When the headlights are replaced from the car, you can start with modifications or just cleaning them. The result will be very impressive. You can disassemble the zoom lenses from the low beams and clean the fine dust which cover the lenses and the entire area of the low beam. It's pretty easy but useful work. The reflector section with the zoom lenses is mounted to the low beam with 3 screws. This one here, and this one. You can use some water to clean the replaced inner part of the low beams, but never use a degreaser. The reflective cover will be damaged. Don't ask me why I know this. So, after cleaning we can proceed and check the condition of the bulbs. It will be better to replace them with new ones. There are a lot of options of bulbs with increased intensity. Or if you prefer, you can check about some xenon systems. The newest options are these LEDs bulbs. If you want a new detailed video of assembling a new pair of this type black halo headlights, please leave a comment below. For the high beam section you will need a pair of black crosses, like this one. You should replace the lens, drill the reflector and place the crosses. 2 pieces in the left and 2 pieces in the right headlight. In our store hadesgarage.com you can find these crosses, and not only them. There are a lot of custom-made high-quality parts at very competitive prices. Only now you can use a promo code FIRSTVISIT and you will receive 11% discount. Just leave it like a comment when you make your order. I will put a link in the description. So, if you think you won't succeed with all the work to assemble the black halo headlights, you can order a complete set at hadesgarage.com. Don't forget to share the video with your friends, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content, gifts and other surprises. Stay tuned and see you next time. They are mounted in BMW e32 7 series, e34 5 series,